Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix checkout rejected on Shopee, right? So if you're facing this issue, then this can be solved inside your phone. So for example, let's say that I will just I will just put some products into my cart, right? So I will just add this product to my cart. Let's say I will select here and I will just click on add to cart, right? So as you can see here that I have added to the cart. Now when I just go to my cart, I can just buy from here. So make sure you have to just follow this instruction very carefully, right? So just select whichever product you want to buy. For example, you can say I just want to buy this product. If you want to buy more than that, you can always select the products here, right? For example, right now I have selected only two products. So I have to just scroll a little bit down, and as you can see here, there's nothing, right? So once you have selected your product, just go and click to checkout, right? And here you have to enter your proper address, because this is very important. If you don't enter a proper address, right, it should be valid and active one, right? Shopee will remove your products and they will not deliver it to you. If you have any message for sellers, you can just write here, and after that, if you want the invoice, you can just request now, because that is very important. If you don't receive a product, invoice is going to really help you, right? So here, now this is very important. If you have selected any kind of discount or something, you can just add from here. You can just redeem your coins, right? Now here, from here, this is very important, right? This is payment options. So most of the products, if the seller have not allowed some of the products to cash on delivery, there will be no option for cash on delivery, right? So make sure you have entered all the correct information, such as if you're using a credit or debit card, or if you're using an e-wallet. So make sure you have entered the proper one, right? For example, this is payment center. You can use any one of them. Credit and debit card is the best option, right? So you would have entered a valid credit and debit card details, as well as in the online banking. So if there is any issue in the payment, then of course your checkout is going to be, it's not going to be happen, right? So this is how you can do it, and after that you can just place your order. So this is how you can do it, and it's very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.